Hey everyone, today we're diving into something fascinating, our digestive systems. Specifically, we're going to compare the human digestive tract to that of carnivores like lions and herbivores like cows. We'll look at how different animals process their food and ask the big question, is the human digestive tract more suited for a zero-carb animal-based or carbohydrate-rich plant-based diet? Spoiler alert, there are interesting clues in our anatomy. Let's start with Let's start with digestive tract length. One key difference between carnivores, herbivores, and humans is the length of the digestive system relative to the body size. Carnivores, like lions, have relatively short digestive tracts. Their ratio of digestive tract length to body length is about 3:1. This means their intestines are 3 times longer than their body length. Why? Because meat is relatively easy to digest, so they don't need a long digestive system. Their stomach is highly acidic, and the food moves through them quickly. Herbivores, especially ruminants like cows, have extremely long digestive tracts. For cows, their digestive tract length is a whopping 20 times their body length. That's because plant matter is tougher to break down, requiring lots of time and space for fermentation and nutrient extraction. Cows even have multiple stomach chambers, 4 in total, designed to help ferment and digest fibrous plant material, with microbes doing much of the heavy lifting. Humans fall somewhere in between, but closer to that of lions. Our digestive tract length is 6 times our body length. This intermediate length reflects our omnivorous nature. We can handle both plant and animal foods, but we don't have the same degree of specialization as either strict carnivores or herbivores. Now let's talk about stomach acidity. Lions and other carnivores have a super low stomach pH, around 1 to 2, which is extremely acidic. This helps them break down raw meat quickly and destroy harmful bacteria that may come with eating prey. Cows, on the other hand, have a much more neutral stomach pH, especially in the rumen, the first compartment of their stomach, which is about 5.5 to 7. This neutral environment is perfect for fermentation, where microbes help break down tough plant fibers. Humans have a pH that's significantly more acidic than herbivores and is closer to that of carnivores. Our stomach pH ranges between 1.5 and 3.5, depending on whether we're fasting or digesting food. This acidity allows us to break down proteins efficiently while also handling a variety of foods, but it's slightly less acidic than a lion's because we don't rely on raw meat as our sole food source. Now for the cecum, the little pouch at the beginning of the large intestine. In herbivores, the cecum is large and vital for fermenting plant fibers. In animals like cows, it's a major site of fermentation that helps break down cellulose. Carnivores, like lions, have a very small cecum because they don't eat much, if any, fiber, and meat doesn't require fermentation. In humans, our cecum is also relatively small, which suggests that we're not designed to handle massive amounts of plant fiber like herbivores do. While we can process some fiber, we're not built to rely on it as our primary source of nutrition. So, what does this all mean? We're close but not strict carnivores like lions because our digestive tract isn't short enough and our stomach acid isn't as strong. However, we're also clearly not built like herbivores because we don't have the long, fermentation-heavy digestive systems of cows or the large cecum necessary to break down tough plant fibers. Humans are omnivores, and our digestive system reflects that balance. We're equipped to digest both animal proteins and plant materials, but there's a question of efficiency. While we can process plant foods, we may not do it as efficiently as herbivores. And while we can digest meat, we're not as specialized as pure carnivores. Still, the fact that we have relatively strong stomach acid and a digestive tract length closer to that of lions suggests that animal-based foods may be particularly well suited for our digestive system. One thing that's worth noting, both animal-based and plant-based diets can promote good health, and the common link between the two is the absence of processed foods. People who thrive on plant-based diets, like in the blue zones, aren't eating ultra-processed foods. Similarly, those on carnivore diets who experience health benefits are also avoiding processed junk. So, what's best for humans? While our digestive system is flexible, many argue that animal-based diets may align better with our digestive strengths. We have the acidity to handle animal proteins efficiently, and a digestive length that processes them relatively quickly. However, we can still handle a variety of plant foods. It just might not be as optimal for fiber-heavy, plant-exclusive diets like those of ruminants. Ultimately, it comes down to what works best for you. Our digestive systems are adaptable, but understanding these differences can help guide you toward a diet that matches your body's capabilities. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what diet works best for you, and whether you think humans are better suited for plants, animals, or a mix of both.